You've probably heard or seen the term credit score used in everything from car commercials to cell phone plans. But what is a credit score? What's a good score and how is it determined? A credit score is a number that represents your past credit behaviors, and it indicates how much of a risk you are to businesses that are deciding whether to lend you money. The higher your score, the better your credit history is. There are a few different types of credit scores, but currently the FICO score is the most commonly used. Your FICO credit score is a number between 300 and 850. And while many factors go into a credit decision, scores above 660 are generally considered good, and scores below 600 are considered risky. FICO credit scores are calculated using 5 different components. The first is payment history, which accounts for 35% of your score and is a review of whether you tend to make your payments on time. If you have a long history of paying your debts on time, lenders will probably be more willing to loan you money. The next big credit score component is amounts owed, which is 30% of your score and takes into account the total amount of money you owe compared to how much credit you have available to you. If you already owe a lot of money, lenders might hesitate to give you any more. The next component of a FICO score is credit history. Credit history makes up 15% of your score. This is how much credit history you have and how long you've had your credit accounts. In general, a longer history means a higher score, as long as the history is positive. New credit is next and accounts for 10% of your score. This refers to how many new lines of credit you have and how many recent inquiries into your credit have been made. Having too many new lines of credit or recent inquiries can negatively impact your score. Credit mix is the last 10%. Having different types of credit is usually better for your score. This could include credit cards, retail accounts, and installment loans like mortgages, car loans, and student loans. Now that you know what a credit score is, it's time to get friendly with yours. Go online or check with your financial institution to obtain your score. In most cases, you'll also be able to see how you stack up against the credit score components we covered today.